Hi friend! Ayan, galing tayo sa Pangasinan. So, Nepo Mall, Dagupan. So, sa Nepo Mall, Dagupan, there's a book sale. Kaya meron tayong haul. So, medyo sumama yung pakiramdam natin. Kaya, isa lang ang haul natin. Pero, looks okay naman. Get Out of Your Head by Jeanine Allen. So, Stopping the Spiral of Toxic Thoughts. Yan. So, it includes spiraling out, make the shift, weapons we use, part 2, a new way to live, a mind like Christ. Ayan po. It's para siyang journal kasi may mga stories siya, articles, and meron kang questions. Ayan o. You can answer scriptural memory. So may mga Bible verses. You have to write your impression. There are prompt questions. Ayan. Enjoy reading, friend. Ayan. Continue to patronize book sale po. So, huwag tayong maniwala, magsasara na siya. There's still a lot of books around. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.